In the heart of the vast Atlantic Ocean, where the azure waves caress Madeira Island's shores, a hidden treasure beckons exploration. Venture with us to Porto Santo, a haven of tranquility cradled within nature's embrace. Our journey takes us beneath the surface, where ocean depths guard secrets and narratives of the past. Just a mile away from Porto Santo's pristine coastline rests a majestic relic, the sunken cargo ship Madeirense. In the profound silence of the underwater world, this vessel, once a proud sailor of the seas, now lies about 34 meters below. Since the year 2000, becoming a beacon for divers and marine enthusiasts worldwide. Immerse yourself in the ethereal silence enveloping you as you descend into the deep blue abyss. The sunken ship, a testament to Madeira's maritime legacy, invites you to explore its cabins and corridors. Here, amidst the gentle sway of aquatic plants and the interplay of sunlight filtering through the water, you'll find a thriving ecosystem. Thousands of colorful fish dance around you, their scales capturing the glimmering sunlight, creating a mesmerizing spectacle. Among the diverse marine life, elegant anemones sway gracefully with the rhythm of ocean currents. As you navigate through underwater chambers, you'll encounter Porto Santo's enchanting marine biodiversity. The ship, now an artificial reef, offers sanctuary for life beneath the waves. But the adventure doesn't end there. Beyond the sunken ship, more wonders await. Vibrant corals sway in harmony beneath the ocean's vast expanse. Dive deeper into Porto Santo's cerulean embrace, joined by magnificent giant groupers, their sleek forms gliding gracefully beside you. These gentle giants, guardians of the deep, welcome you with their gentle approach, curiosity sparking in their intelligent eyes. In their presence, you'll feel a profound friendship, a silent understanding that transcends the boundaries between species. Their slow, elegant movements create an aura of serenity, inviting you to share in the secrets of their underwater realm. The beauty of this underwater paradise lies not merely in sights, but in the profound sense of peace it imparts. The ocean's silence, broken only by the soft hum of marine life, becomes a melody resonating with your soul. Crystal clear waters, tinted with turquoise hues, allow sunlight's gentle caress, creating a play of colors, magical and enchanting. In every rising bubble and every moment shared with these majestic creatures, you'll discover a connection to something greater. Massive gears and mechanisms, encrusted with coral and algae, stand frozen in time, a testament to the ship's once bustling life. This dive site in Porto Santo, where history and marine life intertwine, isn't merely a destination. It's an experience lingering in your heart, reminding you of the wonders beneath the world's familiar surface. Venturing inside the ship, you enter a ghostly realm, where the play of light creates an eerie yet mesmerizing ambience. Faint traces of daylight filter through portholes, casting ethereal blue hues across the interior spaces. These ghostly chambers, once bustling with activity, now echo with the silence of the deep sea. It's a surreal experience, exploring the innards of the ship, where time seems to stand still, and the past mingles with the present. Through the windows of the ship's cabins, you catch glimpses of the outside world, a world now teeming with life, where schools of fish dart and swirl, painting the water with flashes of silver and gold. The contrast between the ghostly interiors and the vibrant marine life outside creates a sense of wonder, reminding you of the ship's metamorphosis from a vessel of industry to a sanctuary of nature. In these moments, as you peer through the windows, you witness a dance of colors and shadows, a visual symphony that speaks of resilience and adaptation. The ship, once a symbol of human endeavor, has become a canvas for the ocean's artistic prowess, where rusted metal and marine life coexist in perfect harmony. This underwater world, where the past and present merge in a captivating display, invites you to contemplate the passage of time and the cyclical nature of life. It's a reminder that even in the depths of the ocean, amid the remnants of human history, life finds a way to flourish, creating a spectacle that captivates the soul and ignites the imagination. The ship's hull, now an intricate tapestry of textures and hues, teems with marine life, showcasing nature's remarkable ability to reclaim and rejuvenate. The ship's various parts scattered across the ocean floor. Enormous sections, once integral components of the vessel, now find their resting place, each telling a unique tale of the ship's final moments. Come, let Porto Santo's waters unveil their secrets, and let your soul be carried away by the symphony of the deep. Thank you for joining us on this extraordinary dive adventure, where friendships were formed and nature revealed its hidden wonders. If you were captivated by our exploration and encounters, don't forget to like this video, share it with your fellow adventurers, and subscribe to our channel for more captivating underwater stories. Until next time, keep diving and keep exploring.